Do you have car trouble and need it fixed as soon as possible? We'll be more than happy to take care of that for you. There's really no need to look any further for the right mechanic, because at the end of the day, we realize there are plenty of mechanics that you can choose from, but the question remains, who's the best? You can rest assured that we will get the job done quickly and effectively. Our customers come from far and wide because of the quality of our service. So if you'd like to give us a try, then give us a call, mention this video, and we'll do our best to get you the best possible price.